Hello guys, and welcome to our monthly segment called Open House, Open Heart.
And today we're going to be sponsoring a really cute little kitty cat. So we're going to toss this over to Christy Merriman over at the Sacramento SPCA.
Hey everyone, this is Christy at the Sacramento SPCA, and we are doing our monthly sponsored adoption with Open House, Open Heart with Tatiana and Tony, with Nick Sadek, Sotheby's International Realty. This month we decided to sponsor a cat, and this is Confetti. She is 7 years old. She is a tortie. She came to the shelter from another shelter, so she was transferred in, and she had an injured ear, so we fixed that right up, and now she's ready for her home. She's super friendly, loves to be pet, and she is available for adoption. Take it back to Tatiana and Tony, who are in the community of Serrano in a beautifully renovated one-story home.
Thank you, Christy, so much. That for sure is an adorable kitty cat.
Adorable, and let's find its forever home. And right now, speaking of homes, we are actually at a beautiful remodeled home right here in the gated community of Serrano in El Dorado Hills.
This turnkey single-story home offers almost 2,300 square feet of modern comfort. 3 bedrooms, a spacious office, 3 bathrooms, and 3-car garage.
It took us 7 weeks to fully remodel this home from floor to ceiling. Upgrades like luxury vinyl plank flooring, crown molded, and LED lighting showcase meticulous attention to detail. But without a doubt, our favorite part of the house after this renovation is the kitchen and family room area.
The open floor plan invites you into a world of entertainment. The chef's kitchen became a masterpiece with brand new smart appliances, quartz countertops, a brand new oversized island with a sink, wine refrigerator, and modern lighting that will elevate your culinary experience.
Beyond the home, the gated Serrano community offers security 24/7, 17 miles of trails, 12 neighborhood parks, over 1,000 acres of open space, and lots of fun community events, plus top-rated schools for all ages.
Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please like it and then subscribe to our channel for our weekly local content.
And if you or anyone you know who might be interested in this property, make sure you reach out to our team through the link below.